Good morning, my dear students. Students, we are discussing our fourth unit, repeated multiplication. We are at the end of our unit. Here we need to discuss two sections, factors and perfect numbers. First, we are discussing what's a factor. Let's ask me something. What are the factors of 2? What are the factors of 2? From our early class we know that factors means which is a multiple of any number. A number which is a multiple of any number. 1 2s are 2. Then 2 1s are 2. Here the 1 and the number itself is the factor of 2. Here we get only 2 factors. And factors of 16 should be 1. Any number factor is 1. And the number itself is a factor. Okay. Next factor is 4. 4 4s are 16. So we need not want to write the same thing once again. Next 8 2s are 6. So 8 and 2. 8 2s are 16. These are the factors of 16. Okay. Then what should be the factors of 32? In the same way, 32. 1 and 32 itself is the factors of 32. Next, 2 into 16 is 32. So 2 and 16 is 32 factors. Then 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. 6 2s are 32. 32 into 1 are 32. So 1 2 1 2 4 8 16 and 32 are the factors of 32. Okay, just we write it in as ascending order or descending order, whatever it is. Okay, then we can express a factor in terms of a power. Let's see, 1 2 4 8 16 32. These are the powers of 2. So we can write the factors of 32 in terms of sum of powers. That is 2 raised to 0 is 1. 2 raised to 1 is 2. 2 raised to 2 is 4. And 2 raised to 3 is 8. 2 raised to 4 is 16. 2 raised to 5 is 32. So in terms of factors of 2, powers of 2, we can express 32's factor like this. In another word, these are the factors of 32. Okay. Next, factors of 81. How can we express 81's factor? First, 1 and 81 are the factors. Okay. Next, 9 9s are 81. And the last one is 27 into 3 is the factors of 81. That is 1, 81, 9, 27, 3. We can write these two. 27 and 81. So these are the factors of 81. Look here, 1, 3, 9, 27, 81. These are the powers of 3. So we can write as 3 raised to 0, 3 raised to 1, 3 raised to 2, 3 raised to 3 and 3 raised to 4. Finding a factor in terms of numbers and powers of some numbers. Okay. Next, finding factors of 72. Okay, 1 and 72 are the factors. Next factor is 2 and 36. Next, 3 and 24. 4 and 18. 12 and 6. These are the factors of 72. Like this, we can arrange 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 18, 24, 36 and 72. These are the factors of 72. Here 1, 2, 4 are powers of 2, but 3 is not a powers of 2. So we cannot express the powers of a same number here. That means 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, etc. We cannot express like this here. Here we want to factorize the number 72. 2. The number is ending with an even number, so it is divisible by 2. 36. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. It is divisible by 3. Or 6 is an even number. You can divide it by 2 also. When we divide with 3, it gets 12. Again 3. 4 3s are 12. 2 2s are 4. Here 2 are repeating 3 times. That is 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 2. This is the prime factorization of 72 that we have learned earlier. Prime factorization. Okay. From that, we can find out first factors. These factors. First, we multiply 3 with the whole number. That is, we want to multiply with 3. Here the highest power is 2 raised to 3. So write in order 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2 and 2 raised to 3. Each term is multiplied with 3. We get 2 raised to 0, 1. 1 3s are 3. Next, 2 raised to 1, 1. Sorry, 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 raised to 2, 4. 4 3s are 12. 2 raised to 3, 8. 8 3s are 24. This is a 4 set of factors. Here look 3, 6, 12 and 24. Okay, we want to find out another factors too. In our next step, multiply with 3 raised to 2. Okay, 3 raised to 2 is a factor. Prime factorization we have learned earlier. When we multiply this, 3 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 0. 3 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 1. 3 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 2. 3 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 3. Okay. The whole number should be 3 raised to 2, 9. 9. 9 2s are 18. 9 4s are 36 and last one 72. 3 raised to 2, 9. 8. 9 8s are 72. Okay, we get another 4 sets. 3, 6, 12, 24, 9, 18, 36 and 72. These are the factors of 72. Is there any more number? Let me check. First, we find out the factors like this. 1, 72, 2, 36, 4, 18, 12 and 6. These are the factors that we get. Total here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 8. 4 and 4. Look here, 3. Next 200. When we prime factorize it, we get 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 2. Okay, we can list the factors in orders like this. First 1, 2, 2 square and 2 raised to 3. Next, we want to first multiply with 5. So when we multiply 5, 2 into 5, 2 raised to 2 into 5 and 2 raised to 3 into 5. In the next step, we want to multiply with 5 square. This number. So here 5 square. Next 2 into 5 square. 2 raised to 2 into 5 square. And 2 raised to 3 into 5 square. These are the factors of 200. Okay, when we multiply this, we get the factors. That is, these are the factors of 200. 1, 2, 4, 8, 5, 10, 20, 40, 25, 50, 100 and 200. Okay, now you know how to find out factors of a given number. Is it clear? This is your work. Find the factors of 240. You want to find the factors of 240 and list it. Okay.